Thank you for signing in. Today we are going to be doing a little test prep since we have a test on Thursday. I'm going to talk about the things that we've discussed this chapter and show you some example problems. At the end, you are going to think of 1 to 2 questions you have about the things that we've talked about in the past couple weeks. The first thing we talked about was absolute value. You might see problems on the test that look like this, or this, or something like this. You will have to be able to solve those kinds of problems. After absolute value, we talked about rational numbers. You might see problems on the test that ask you, is 6 a rational number? Why or why not? Is negative 4 over 3 a rational number? Why or why not? Is 2.8 a rational number? Why or why not? Is negative 4 2/3 a rational number? Why or why not? It's important that you don't just say yes or no. You need to understand the reason. The last thing we talked about was using long division to go from rational numbers in fraction form to decimals. You might see a problem like turn 4/3 into a decimal using long division, or turn 10 2/3 into a decimal using long division. It's also important that we know the terms terminating decimal and repeating decimal. Those are the things we've talked about this unit. Those are the things that will be on the test. Think of 1 to 2 questions that you have about those things that you would like to get answered before the test on Thursday, and that is what you are going to be typing in your reply.